25 meters, then exit it. Okay, then exit it. Then through all is selected. Okay, done. Then extruded boss is selected and click on this surface and go to here, select the normal plane, take the line command and sketch it. Okay, 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 exit it. It will be come to this direction will change this way, and it will be thickness 20 millimeters. Okay, done. Okay, now fillet is taken again and constant radius is taken, and radius will be 10 millimeters. And select this corner. Okay, shape is nice, it is nice. Then I am going to select the materials, go to here, steel is metal and steel is taken. Okay, or I am taking the brush, polish brush is selected and changing the color. Okay, this color is taken, or I am taking this color. Okay, done. Then you can see it, cut piece, and I am going here and see this way. Okay, thank you everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share.